Hello everyone. So I'm here with a very important information and notice for those students who are seeking the admission to medical colleges in this year 2023. So there is a notice that came up in light from the NMC which clearly states that any admission that has been taken through counseling after 30th September is invalid. So let us see the notice and let's see what is given in the notice. Okay. So this is the notice. So you can see this is the notice given by the National Medical Council, Undergraduate Medical Education Board, and it is dated 19/10/2023. So this notice is out on 19/10/2023, and this is the number of the notice. Now, it has come to knowledge. Now let's read it line by line. This is very important information, and see, you can get into trap or you can get scammed by the medical college or some medical college or the stakeholders. So we have to be aware of it. So let's read this notice line by line. Okay. So it has come to the knowledge of NMC, that is National Medical Commission, about the conduct of UG MBBS counseling both through online and offline mode by several states, such as the state of Maharashtra. So they have quoted some states name also, state of Bihar, state of West Bengal, etc. State of West Bengal, etc. So that means there are some more states that are following this practice beyond the cutoff date, that is 30 September 2023. So it has come to the knowledge of the NMC. They are saying that it has come in their knowledge that some states like Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, and etc., they are taking admission beyond the cutoff date, that is 30th September. Now, in point 2, this is clearly stated that the National Medical Commission White Public Notice dated 27/2023. So there was another notice that is on 27/7/2023 has intimated to the stakeholders. Stakeholders means that the authorities of concerned colleges regarding the cutoff date of conducting the UG MBBS counseling, that is 30th September 2023. So this, from this notice of 27/7/2023, the NMC has clearly given instructions that the counseling has to be completed by 30th September 2023. Any admission or conduct of counseling beyond the cutoff date is in violation of the notice issued by NMC, as well as in the violation of the judgment passed by Honorable Supreme Court of India. Now this line, what I interpret from this line, that no matter what you do, okay, it is clearly stated here, if you have taken the admission beyond this deadline, beyond this cutoff, your medical seal is not going to be saved with you or any medical college who have done this practice. Later in the notice, they are advised to refrain from it. Okay, so clearly, if you have taken admission, or if any of the college is giving you admission, or any counseling that is happening beyond this date is deemed to be invalid. Now, in the third point, they are saying that Honorable Supreme Court of India by judgment dated 18, so this is just the information, 18/1/2016, passed in Ashish Ranjan ORS VS UOI and ORS 2016-11 SCC 2025, approved the time schedule of processing the scheme as well as admission in undergraduate. So there is what they are trying to tell you briefly, that in some case that happened to be in 2026, the Supreme Court has already given this guideline that there is a time schedule for a scheme of admission in undergraduate, postgraduate, as well as super specialty medical and dental courses, which are framed after consulting all the states, union territories, government of India, and other concerned parties. So it is already decided through a decision in Supreme Court that there has to be a time frame of counseling and the admission activity. So why it is written here? So according to me, it is written here because if any student who has taken the admission beyond this date, and he may go to a legal process sometime later in future and challenge this notice, so it is already, they have given this remark that this has already been the Supreme Court decision and this has to be followed. Now further, they have written that Honorable Supreme Court of India wide order dated 2018 passes in SLP number. This is the number of the case and all that versus Sukhmeen Madan and Ors. While disposing of the specially petition, observed that the High Court should not have extended the cutoff date already fixed by the Honorable Court, nor should the High Court grant provisional admission which have the potential of circumventing the orders of Honorable Court. So, what I can understand from here that in some case maybe the High Court have given or some decision in the favor of the seeker, and while disposing of the specially petition, observed that it should not have extended the cutoff date. So in some case in this 2018 High Court might have extended the date. So Supreme Court has ordered against it. Okay, that this has not to be extended because it is against the will of the Honorable Supreme Court. So again, this is a point which is emphasizing on point number 3, that if someone has taken the admission beyond this date and at some point of time he is going to challenge this, okay, that is not a valid challenge and it is going not to be accepted by the court of law. Now, that erstwhile MCI Graduate Medical Education Regulation 1999 was amended by MCI notification dated 23/1/2018. Proviso regulation this of the above mentioned amended notification categorically provides that no admission shall be granted. So this has clearly in each of the point they are making their point very clear that no admission shall be granted after the last or cutoff date. Okay. So now in the 6th point, the Honorable Supreme Court of India by this judgment dated 2019 passed in WP, so this is the number, Education Proportion Society for India and Union of India has held that merely because seats are lying vacant, so even there is vacancy, there is no justifiable reason to extend the cutoff date or grant admission after the cutoff date. Now, many students are thinking that seats are left in the medical college still, so what is the use of them being vacant? So don't get into this scam. See, even the seats, even they are vacant, you are not liable to take the admission. Clearly it is stated in this very notice, and here again it is written because seats are lying vacant is no justifiable reason to extend the cutoff date or grant admission after the cutoff date. Okay, so no way if you are going to challenge this, it is not going to accept it. There is no use. So in regard to the above facts and the judgment, the stakeholders are hereby directed to strictly adhere to the counseling schedule. So here the stakeholders are the central government, the state government, the college authorities, as fixed by the NMC for the admissions academic session 2023 for UG MBBS course. Has any counseling if carried out by the central authorities, state authorities, medical college will be considered to be invalid, and a student admitted, if any, shall be discharged immediately. And last thing, this issue the approval of competent authority. So guys, please read this line. So any concerned students who have taken admission in any of such colleges, in any of these medical Cs after 30 September, rest assured that you have to be discharged immediately. You will not be able to continue with that medical seat. This is clearly mentioned in this notice. Okay, so guys, ultimately in this information, the clear information given by the NMC through this notice, you can find this on their website. So clear notice is given that if at all you have taken the admission after 30th September, that is not a valid medical seat, you will be discharged immediately or maybe in some time, that depends upon the college. Okay, and also if any of such admission or counseling activity is happening anywhere across India, you must not participate in it. Okay, so guys, this is the information what I wanted to give you through this video. So with this, thank you very much. I hope you find this information useful to you. And with this, thank you very much. Have a good day.